Hey, what's going on everybody? Thank you for tuning into another JD channel video in which today we're going to unbox another Amazon product. I got it really cheap, so let's see how good it is. So today we got a shaver. This I got with a coupon code from Amazon for $10. I haven't charged it yet, so pretty much this is just going to be an unboxing and initial thoughts video of it. Let me focus it. See, so I mean you get 8-hour charge. You got the adapter obviously included in it. What else we got here? So 45 minutes of runtime and a pop-out trimmer. Let's open it up, and it looks like it's imported by a company in Colorado. It's a FLYCO shaver. So you can obviously wash it like all your modern ones nowadays, and of course dual action heads. Let's open it up, see what we got. It does say on the box 3-year guarantee, so I'm kind of curious. So let's open this up. This model is called the FS306US, so the US version of it. It says it's worldwide compliant. Let's open this up. I'm going to charge it too to go give it a test run. Oh, a nice charger. Hopefully it doesn't short circuit it. Let's open this up with one hand. Oop, I fell. What kind of end does it have? Okay, so proprietary. So we got this. Oop, that opened up. It's nice and shiny. I think there were a few colors of this as a choice. I like the fit and finish so far. And the trimmer, just like my Morocco ones. Does it have a stand? No, I guess it doesn't. So all you really get, obviously, for $10 makes sense. Forgot what the normal price is, but when you buy on Amazon, it has a coupon code, so it becomes $10. Cover, obviously. Ooh, that flew open. Flexible head. Some clean in here. Just charge it up so we can test it out. Alright, so a few hours later, after I gave it a good charge, take the top off and we're gonna give it a try. I added some electric shave onto my facial hair, so I'm holding the camera in one hand. Now we're gonna go friggin' use this and let's see what happens. See how much it takes off. Ooh, that electric shave pulls it hard. I just got a haircut too, if you haven't noticed, but it happened. Had some time to kill. Couple of good strokes here. Alright. Ah! There you go. The heck? Keep hitting the button. And for a $10 shaver, I guess they didn't put the button in a great place when you're in a rush. Trying to get it as clean as I can get. Not too bad. No more. And electric shave pulled hard. Not bad. And voila. Hey, close. I mean, for $10, couldn't go wrong. I think it was like, now it might be 15, but pretty close shave. And I had a lot of facial hair on there. Well, a lot for me. Electric shave has a nasty taste, so that's why you hear that. Wow, not bad. Take a little more off. Can't complain. A little more. Yeah, can't complain. For $10, I feel like it did the job. I mean, tell me what you, well, I mean, hopefully you guys think so. I'll add the link in the description below so you guys can check it out.